Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show how we can resolve viewing PayGlobal help file that is running on PayGlobal. So let me show you what I mean. If you go onto the menu bar on top of your PayGlobal, you will see there's a tab as help. If you click on the help tab, it will open, just bring it on the screen. It will open your PayGlobal Help file, which is running through a CHM extension. CHM is usually a HTML help extension used by Windows to open help files and other files such as ebooks. So if you are able to open this, that is something that you will be able to do so. But if you click on any of the menus, you will not be able to see the context of it over here. And so the reason why you are not able to see this is because back in the days of Windows XP, Microsoft released a security patch that made it impossible to view CHM files that were stored on a network drive, as opposed to the CHM files stored on your own computer. So one of the things that you might be able to notice is you will be able to open CHM files on your computer, but if it's running from a network, even from an internet, you will not be able to view that. And that is why there was a security patch released that caused this by Microsoft. So there's a whole description under the support Microsoft site that I will link in the description below that that shows the security patch and its effects on it. Now, if you trust all the computers on your LAN or on your internet, and the people of course using them, you can lower the restrictions on the local internet zone to allow CHM files to be displayed via these following steps. So let me just take you through the steps. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on Windows and R and run the run command, and we're going to type in regedit, regedit. Let's click on OK, and it will ask you for the prompt. We will click on OK to confirm. Now under the registry editor, you will select HKey local machine, then you will select software, then you would look for Microsoft. Under Microsoft, you would search for HTML help, and under that subfolder you will see there's a folder called 1.x. Under the 1.x, so if you click on 1.x, you'll see there is a folder. Now we will create another folder inside 1.x, so right click on it and select new key, and then we will name this sub key as ITSS restrictions. It's going to be ITSS restrictions. Once you create that folder, you will go inside that content of it, and you will right click and you will select a dword value, and you would name it as max allowed zone. Right click on it and select modify, change the value data to 1 and click on OK. That's the change that you have to apply in order to view your PayGlobal help file that is across the network. Now let's go back to our PayGlobal and let's go to our help again. Now if you click on any of the links, you will be able to view the contents of it. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If so, please do give a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.